Hello there, this is Adriano Sabo speaking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compile our last library for the project Ogaboo, which is the OgreOggSound. Of course, you can download it from SourceForge as well in this URL here. You can download this version 1.26, and this library is very useful because it's also it's like a wrapper for the OpenAL project to produce 3D sounds or 2D sounds for our games, and it actually depends on the OpenAL, but you don't have to worry about OpenAL library because it had already been installed for the Ogre video plugin that I show in a previous video. Alright, so all you have to do is to download this file here, and then we can extract this file in our environment folder here and move to a console. Before building the code itself, we will need to change two files before. First one is the OgreOggSound prereqs or requirements for building the code. We have to search for this definition here. Have EFX. The default is 1, which means enable FX support for the OpenAL, but we need to change that to 0 because we are not support this FX for this version. So we save this project, this file here, and the next one is the OgreOggSound manager.cpp. You have to find the line with this definition. We need to change that to a equivalent one, which is this one, because if you do not change that, it will cause MinW not to compile correctly. It will raise an exception during the compilation process because this syntax was not supported. I think that's because this project was originally created for the Visual Studio. So this is the main reason. I hope someday they will put a fix for that. Alright, this is the only things we need to change. So we can go ahead and start the building process itself. So let's copy here the command. Let me move to that OgreOggSound. Let's create a folder here called build and paste cmake commands. As you can see, there are some variables that need to be completed with some dependencies such as OpenAL, Ogre, and Boost as well. And wait a few seconds. Alright, so we can now call minw32 make and wait for the compilation process to complete. That's it. Compilation process is done. The library is here, successfully created. It's called libOgreOggSound.dll. We can also install, and it will be put into the standard folders for binary for the library and includes itself. So we finished all all the requirements for compiling the Ogaboo project. In the next video, we will use the Ogaboo code itself. We will download the code, and I'm going to show you how to build the code in a Eclipse environment. So you start using Eclipse as a software development tool and use all those libraries we compiled before as dependencies for the Ogaboo project. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoy it. See you again next time. Bye bye.